In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your MailerLite API key. To get started, log into your MailerLite account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. This is the starting point for accessing your account settings and integrations. And from here, everything you need is just a few clicks away. Once you're inside the dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Integrations. This section is where MailerLite keeps the tools and connection options that allow you to link your account with websites, apps, and automation platforms. Inside the integrations area, find the option labeled MailerLite API Hey. When you see it, click. Use next to that option. This will take you to the API access section where you can create a token for connecting MailerLite with another service. Next, click Generate New Token. This is the action that creates a brand new API token for your account. If you're using MailerLite with an external platform, this token acts as the secure credential that allows the connection to work properly. After that, you'll be asked to name your token. Choose a name that clearly describes what it will be used for. For example, you might name it something like Website Integration or Zapier Integration. Giving it a clear label is helpful later, especially if you end up creating multiple tokens for different tools or projects. You may also see an option to set IP restrictions. If needed, you can specify which IP addresses are allowed to use the token. This adds an extra layer of control. If you don't need that restriction, you can allow access from any IP address instead. The best option depends on how and where the integration will be used. When everything looks right, click Create Token. MailerLite will then generate your API key. At this stage, it's very important to copy the token immediately. You may also have the option to download it as a TXT file, which can be useful if you want to store it securely for later use. Keep in mind that MailerLite will not show you the full token again after you leave that page. If you don't save it now, and later lose access to it, you'll need to generate a new token. Once you've copied the API key, you can use it when connecting MailerLite to another application. In most cases, the external platform will ask for an API key or authentication token, and this is the value you'll paste in. That's how to find and create your MailerLite API key quickly and safely.